Imagine a world where your favorite Google tools just vanish. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the fate of some beloved Google products. In just 4 months, Google Jamboard, a collaborative whiteboard app, will disappear after nearly 8 years of service. Jamboard's digital 4K touchscreen device, which integrated seamlessly with Google Workspace, will fade into darkness in just 18 days. Chromecast, the digital media player that revolutionized streaming, was killed about a month ago after 11 years. VPN by Google One, a service that encrypted your data and masked your IP, was terminated 3 months ago after over 3 years. Dropcam, the Wi-Fi video streaming camera line acquired by Google in 2014, was killed 5 months ago after 15 years. Google Podcasts, a platform for hosting and listening to podcasts, was killed 5 months ago, almost 6 years old. Keen, a Pinterest-style platform with machine learning recommendations, was killed 6 months ago, nearly 4 years old. Google Domains, a domain name registrar, was killed 12 months ago after over 9 years of operation. Google Optimize, a web analytics and testing tool, was killed 12 months ago after over 11 years. Pixel Pass, a program for upgrading Pixel phones, was killed about a year ago, almost 2 years old. Google Cloud IoT Core, a managed service for connecting and managing data from devices, was killed about a year ago after over 5 years. Google Album Archive, a platform for managing archived photos and videos, was killed about a year ago, almost 7 years old. YouTube Stories, which allowed creators to post temporary videos, was killed about a year ago after over 5 years. Grasshopper, an app for learning JavaScript through puzzles, was killed about a year ago after 5 years. Conversational Actions, which extended Google Assistant's functionality, was killed about a year ago after over 6 years. Google Currents, a social media service for Google Workspace customers, was killed over a year ago, almost 4 years old. Google Street View app, which provided 360-degree views of locations, was killed over a year ago after over 12 years. Jacquard, a small tag for intuitive tech interaction, was killed over a year ago after about 9 years. Google Code competitions, including Code Jam, Kickstart, and Hashcode, were killed over a year ago after over 19 years. Google Stadia, a cloud gaming service, was killed over a year ago after about 3 years. Google On Hub, a series of residential wireless routers, was killed over a year ago after over 7 years. YouTube Originals, which featured original content, was killed over a year ago after over 6 years. Threadit, a tool for recording and sharing short videos, was killed over a year ago, almost 2 years old. Duplex on the Web, a Google Assistant technology for automating web tasks, was killed almost 2 years ago after over 3 years. Google Hangouts, a cross-platform instant messaging service, was killed almost 2 years ago after over 9 years. Google Surveys, a market research tool, was killed almost 2 years ago after over 10 years. YouTube Go, an app for easier YouTube access in emerging markets, was killed about 2 years ago after over 5 years. Google My Business app, for managing Google Maps business profiles, was killed about 2 years ago after over 3 years. Google Chrome apps, web applications for the Chrome browser, were killed about 2 years ago after over 11 years. Kormo Jobs, an app for job seekers in India, Indonesia, and Bangladesh, was killed about 2 years ago after almost 3 years. And that's just the beginning. Stay tuned to see what other Google products have gone poof. Remember, in the tech world, nothing lasts forever. Keep exploring, keep innovating.